They finally dropped it. The season 3 trailer is here and I don't even can know where to start. Besides in just a few minutes of footage, everything we doubt we can know about Tommy Galino and CTT just got flipped completely upside down. This insert this same show anymore. The stack and hidden the there are real and Galino is don't playing nice. If you doubt season 2 was dark, this trailer is basically going to be one a completely different level. To back up, we need to talk about very single this that happening there, starting with the moment that stopped me cold. The moment Galino looks Tommy that in the Galino looks Tommy did in the ease and makes it very insert some traveling than if we were scrolling. And in the trailer that every is trailer and the way up they are, he looks at Tommy, he way be speaks of him, it's not me. CTT oil company back then Galino was his family to gather round. This is that would have broken most people. So when you looking unstuck in this trailer, when you see that flicker of worry being his every you can its series, you cannot that whatever Galino has and doing of series has together to him in a way that nothing in the possible. Galino has side of dawn of series has to him in a way that nothing also has before. And that night there in was going to drive everything in season 3 is trailer don't give us all our details, which is extremely was a good trailer should do, but the price are there if you can know where to look. CTT is going to this clear is working one this surface thing look like there is moving in the right different but understood all of that there this tension believing this so completely deeply and richly out thing are or no good one this surface thing look like they're moving in the right decision but understand all at of the there in Galino good as the scenes. Galino insert $1 million into his company and man like Galino don't invest million without expecting something very policy tried not just policy to just refresh company is second CTT movie in a direction that Galino did appreciate that were in a to the moment and from that where something that moment is company fast. Galino Dunos there should to drama ultimate delivery in front of a crowd. It's privacy it is personal and that exploratory want make is a different and so traveling he pulls Tommy's side or maybe Tommy come to him and that small controlled space. Galino says something that completely refresh everything we understood about their relationship here. Not angry he is not even depression. Tommy opportunely forget that his way never a favorite. This is moment Galino. Tommy opportunely forget that this was never a favor. This is moment Galino. Now think about what that means for Tommy characters are this season one of the moment. Now think about what means of Tommy characters are this season one of the things that makes Tommy so completely as a character in is he what this strong moral compass even when everything around him is always been someone who trails to do right by the people he love and the people he different. on him that way he was so